My blood needs to be taken and sent for
amaraso yanjye bayafate bayajyane kuyasuzuma kubera iki?
There's a tranquilizer in my system. Relax. And unfortunately, if we don't hurry it up, it'll soon be flushed out of my bloodstream.
Is that what I'm getting? Addict.
I'm a doctor.
Can't doctors be addicts?
But I guess you'd need an addicted doctor who's gonna make drugs for himself from the neck, huh?
It's our job to push the limits, Dr. George. Necessary. When you go for the checkup. Here to have some kind of issue, yeah?
Unless you take my blood and
anything.
With my own medicine and in my own house. Don't hurry it up. Please.
amaraso yanjye araza kurwanya iyo miti hari ibintu bita antibody na antigens araza kurwanya iyo miti buryo muraza kunsuzuma iyo miti yanshizemo nimuyibone icyo ni ikimenyetso kiba gifatika
that slumber relax or whatever
kumbe hakuno Stephen ari gusibanganya ibimenyetso do naje hakuno twika ibyo twika
1 or 2 hours
umasabiri
all right got it
sawa ndabyumva John Stephen fata ya mitafata na ga yari yambaye aratwika ari gusibanganya ibimenyetso imbere n'inyuma nta kantu na kamwe ugomba gusiga Stephen nakubwiye ngo ibintu byabikora ari pose hakuno do sibanganya ibimenyetso byasibanganya Stephen
me off at the hotel. Get the car cleaned.
Ugiye kugeza kuri hotel utujyana imodoka mu Kinamba.
Get out of here.
Nawe ituva hano ugende sibyo?
Hey, Simon.
Yego.
If you talk.
Nuramukugize ikintu vuba. Nawe umenye ko bizahita bikurangira nuranyumva. Ari bimuze ndakumva. Sawa ntuzavuge ngo sinakurabuye. Uzavuge ko ntakurabuye. Indi nyuma. Hakuno. Shameka mu modoka cyo. Ebe. Muze yarapfuye hakuno habereye icyaha murabizi namwe ukuntu baza gushushanya n'abapima.
Yeah, we gotta look into this.
Sa tugomba kubirebamo.
The victim's cell phone.
Dore telefone ye nyakwigendera hakuno wari uri kuyamagana.
Oh, hello?
Yego, Nathan.
Hello, Father?
Papa.
Why haven't you been picking up?
Ubundi we kucyutara uri kunyitaba bite byawe?
Who is this?
Ninde tuvugana sika? Na fan.
Where is my father?
Papa anje ari hafan.
Can I speak to my father?
Wareka nkavugana na papa anje.
To the station.
Tugukeneye kuri station ya polisi ngwino kuri station ya polisi.
Will you pass the phone to him so that I can hear his voice?
Wamuhereza telefone tukaza tukavuga. Tugukeneye kuri station tubone kuguha amakuru akurikira.
Thank you very much.
Sawa murakoze cyane. Sawa murakoze. Natalie.
What's happening, Natalie?
Iki biri kuba Natalie?
What's going on?
Iki kiri kuja mbere?
The police answered my father's phone.
Abapolisi nibo bitabye telefone ya papa wanje. Iki? Birabacanga mwibuke ntibaramenya ngo ni ibiki biri kuja mbere ntibaramenya wagwani.
I need to leave.
Izi ni kintu nkeneye kugenda.
What's going on? Florida.
Florida.
Let Eve know anything. I'm taking my...
Utaza gutuma Eva ahari ikintu amenya umwana. Utaza gutuma hari ikintu na kimwe amenya. Ibindi ndaje byinjire mu kumbe Alex ari hakuno. Yamaze kumenya ukuri kwanjye akamaze kumenya ko ari we wishe muzeri ko sinzi. Arabimenye. Steven Soisera ni ubikoze papa. Buryo amani bamutandukanye mwibuke Alex yarebaga. Hakuno ni kugenda byibuka ariko sinzi. Shibazo.
Just answer.
Itaba telefone ari guhamagara muzehe. Muzehe hakuno uko yakageze kuri hoteli do. Ku hoteli iriho amaraso n'iki. Musaza yahise yizira hakuno mu kadusha arabanza kwitera cyangwa arabanza yikuraho imikoshi n'iminyaku. Burese mujya muvuga ngo umuntu ntago ari mugari. Umuntu agupfiriyeho nibwo wabimenya. Umurambo uremera kurusha kontineri ipakiye amabuye. Hakuno muzeyano anja azara abayiteri cyangwa yakuraho imyaku n'imikoshi n'imizimu byose. Yishe sebukwe. Se umugore w'akabasekuru w'abana be. Muze aramwiyiciye.
When I came home, the door was ajar.
Sasa tugaruka hano yamani.
I was worried for my father.
Je naje mpangayikiye data.
I felt it could be bad.
Nari nzi ko biraza kuba bibi.
But
ariko
when I went inside, I saw
ubwo nageraga mu nzu idahari nibwo nabonye
my grandfather. He was lying on the floor covered in blood.
Sogokuru aryamye hasi yuzuye amaraso.
He was shot in the chest.
Bari bamurashe mu gatuza bakarangaje.
Do you know what I mean?
Uzi icyo bishatse kuvuga?
Follow me? They couldn't get him any other way.
Hakuno bamaze gufata sample z'amaraso.
Mr. Everett was dead when I arrived at the scene.
Mr. Everett nahageze yamaze gupfa.
Small prick on my...
Atari gufata statement z'abantu babiri. Umugabo ameze nk'ufite amasura igihumbi. Ntiwamenya nkaba yambaye iyihe sura buri munsi. Hakuno bamaze gufata sample z'amaraso.
Mr. Everett was dead when I arrived at the scene.
Mr. Everett nahageze yamaze gupfa.
Small prick on my...
Atari gufata statement z'abantu babiri. Umugabo ameze nk'ufite amasura igihumbi. Ntiwamenya nkaba yambaye iyihe sura buri munsi.
He's always working a scheme.
I wish I could say
iteka ryose ntakajya buri uko akora ibintu.
Just my son's imagination.
Oya nimba umwana wanjye ariko yakubwiye ibyo n'ibitekerezo bye ntabwo nabihamya simbizi neza.
That's all.
His son Alex called me. I didn't answer.
Umuhungu we yampamagaye sinamwitaba.
My father will kill your father.
Arangije aranyandikira ngo papa wanjye agiye kwica sko.
If he came from my father,
niba yaje kwica data,
my father was there.
Agasanga sogokuru ahari.
You understand me, don't you?
Ndakeka nawe uri kubyumvura umuntu mukuru ntubyumva safandi.
Mr. Everett was doing in my house.
Sinzi guriya mugabo yakoraga iki wanjye.
We have a long-standing animosity.
Je nuriya mugabo twari dufite ukuntu tudahuza uriya musaza wapfuye.
A few days ago.
Cyane ko mu minsi yashize twanagiranye akantu k'akabifu mu gace ukuntu.
So,
rero
this anger is not so fresh that it could lead to a murder.
Yego nari namurakare ariko umujinya nari mufitiye ntago ari uwatuma mwica. Oya suko nteye.
No, he went mad. My mother shamed him and done anything.
With people like Stephen Sherrington,
abantu bameze nka Stephen Sherrington,
they can get unhinged when they realize they will lose.
Ubundi iyo babonye ko bashobora gutsindwa n'ibyo barimo hari igihe bamera nk'abasazi.
They
get unhinged. Baba behu bakamaraho.
Then he tried to put the blame on my father.
Rero ibyo yakoze byose yabikoze kugira ngo agereke ibyaha kuri data.
It's just what I would expect.
Chief, you're wasting your time here with me.
Uri kwangiza igihe cyanyu muri kumwe nanjye.
You know what he's doing?
Uzi icyo ari gukora ubu Stephen?
Covering up his tracks.
Ari gusibanganya ibimenyetso.
You need to hurry up, Chief.
Ibyo mukora mubikore vuba fandi.
You don't have much time.
Kubera ko nta gihe kinini musigaranye.
Or it's too late.
Don't you have the
cyangwa se muze gushaka kubikoraho mwakerera.
I sure hope you're not too late.
ese sample ntabwo murazizana nizere ko mutabakererewe tutari twakereye gufata sample sasa bakuno sample z'amaraso bafashe bavuye kuzipimisha muri forensic laboratory.
Medicine you're talking about. We didn't find anything here.
Imiti wavugaga baguteye ntayo turi kukubonamo. Kigali we.
Chief, you waited too long. Mark of the needle still.
Nategereje muyirenga igihe ariko inyuma bari banye urushinge niba mushaka kumureba.
He stated there is such a message from Alex Soisalan.
Iyi ni telefone ya Yamanali. Dore message koko yaturutse kwa Alex Soisalan dore nki.
Please, you have to hurry.
I would like to question Steven Soisalan.
Ndagira ngo mugende munshakire Steven Soisalan mumunzanire hakuno. Message barayibonye iri kuri telefone ya Yamanali. Nayo buri utagira ngo nukureba gusa fanda agahita areba akavuga ngo ndabona message isobanura nayo bayijyana muri forensic laboratory. Ni ikigo cy'igihugu gishinzwe gukusanya ibimenyetso. Nayo buri utagira ngo nukureba gusa fanda agahita areba akavuga ngo ndabona message isobanura nayo bayijyana muri forensic laboratory. Ni ikigo cy'igihugu gishinzwe gukusanya ibimenyetso. Hakuno kumbuye yavanyemo imyenda yajyanye kwica umuntu do. Mwibukira cyarimo n'ibizinga by'amaraso n'ibiki byose. Aza hakuno. Shugunya muri puperi muri ka kavera bwa buvera twacinga leta. Shugunyamo hano. Steven Shellington. Ombe kuri hoteli Steven uko ari kuvuga ngo agiye gusohora imyanda. Imyenda yari yambaye.
What is Steven Soisalan's room number?
Steven Soisalan ari mu cyumba kangahe?
1602, sir.
Appreciate it.
Barakimubwira murakoze cyane. Bahita bazamuka bajya kureba Steven Soisalan. Steven hano icyarimo byose ari gukusanya ibimenyetso imyenda yicanye umuntu irimo n'ibizinga by'amaraso. Hakuno n'imbunda. Sasa imbunda nimba Steven yikuye ko duheruka yasize imbunda iyo yayivanye he? Hakuno manza afata imbunda ashyira hakuno mu gakufure fora ashyira mu gasefu hano. Shyira muri sefu hano. Hakuno fungura hakuno kubitana na polisi karabaye gwe. Steven Soisalan.
Yes, that's me.
Come to the station.
Ugiye kuza tujyane kuri station ya polisi.
If you
Kubera iki zizagenze
Learn when we get there.
uraza kubimenya nitugerayo. Okay. Nta kibazo tugiye kavera kandi imyenda igata aho ngaho. Ahita gata aho ngaho atanasubiye mu nzu batanaza kwinjiramo. Imyenda baramutse bayibonye n'ikimenyetso gihambaye kandi gifatika. George Aiden nawe ari hakurino.
We didn't like each other too much.
Ndabyemera ko njye nawe tudakundana.
I have to admit.
Reka mbyemere pe.
Your grandfather was brave.
Sogokuru ariko yari umuntu ukomeye nubwo tutakundanaga.
He didn't want me to take you away.
Ntabwo yigeze ashaka ko nkujyana ngo nkuvane nawe.
He really loved you.
Yagukundaga mwana.
And I really loved him. His presence,
Nari mbizi yuko nkunda.
the way he spoke,
Uburyo yavugaga.
so much confidence.
Yavugaga nk'umugabo wifitiye icyizere pe.
My grandfather would always come through.
Ndetse sogokuru y'ibintu byose byazambaka yazaga akabikemura.
The devil took a strong man away from us.
Ariko kiriya kibi kimutuvanyemo kituvanyemo umugabo ukomeye.
Come.
Ngwino hano mwana. Ngwino hano Yamanali.
I feel lost.
So,
Father,
Papa. Hey.
Hey?
Yeah? Rekas.
Nice to hear you call me that.
Shaw's kunu binshimishije kumva unyita papa ongera ariko kanyita ko kantu. Nyakugira umwana ariko biryoha.
you were right, Father.
Nukuri avuga ukuri papa.
Know that? I mean, if I had left here with you, none of this would have happened.
Iyo nza kuba narakumviye nta na kimwe cyari kuba cyabaye gutya.
No.
Aja.
This time you were right.
Kuri iyi nshuro wari uri mukuru.
Glad we didn't go. If this man is this dangerous, if he can take it this far,
nimba uyu mugabo ari mubi bingana gutya abasha kugera kuri uru rwego.
thanks to your mother.
Ntuzatume yegera nyoko. Uranyumva? Shumenya kubyara biryo nyamara ndaje nanjye mbigerageze n'ubundi. Ayo ntsindira ni menshi.
Of gunpowder.
Koko sawa nyine. Ubundi iyo bigiye gupfa byose bitangira bakujya mu matwi nk'ibyahaza umwe byahaza na babiri mbabona. Twabonye ubumara bw'imbunda ntago bwigeze bukugeraho nta hantu uriye nabwo. Papa se we koje mu mfungu waracyari hano hari intoki nyinshi ziri kumureba.
And his prints are on the gun.
Kubera ko ibikumwe bye biri ku mbunda. Joe nta bikumwe bye babonyeho n'ubumara bw'imbunda ntabwo bigeze bamusuzumaho.
Listen, you don't understand.
Ntabwo ubyumva.
Father is not a murderer.
Papa anje ntabwo ari umwicanyi. Umva mwana ngwino hano.
Your mother's going to need you. You need
to kwagiye kugukenera kurusha na mbere.
Put yourself in trouble.
Wa mwana mbareje kure y'ibibazo kuko ubu nibwo gukeneye.
Look, you're a smart boy.
Ndabizi uri umuhanga.
Do anything crazy.
Utaza gukora ikintu cy'ubusazi.
Do you understand?
Uri kunyumva mwana?
Promise.
Sezeranya.
Do you promise?
Uri kunsezeranya kutari buza gukora ikintu cy'ubusazi cyangwa? Nagusezeranya muze.
I promise I'll get you out of here.
Ndetse ndagusezeranya ko ndibuze kukuvana hano.
Son.
Mwana wanjye, muhungu wanjye.
The truth is the truth.
Ukuri aba ari ukuri.
And sooner or later, it will.
Byaba vuba cyangwa bitinze ukuri kuratsinda.
Do anything crazy.
Utaza gukora ikintu cy'ubugoryi rero ngo uri gushaka kugaragaza ukuri. Sibyo? Igihe kizababwira, igihe kizababwira. Cyo gihe tugendeye mwana, shano tugenda.
Go on.
Yasigaye agasheni yamani w'isheni arayiciye basanze nta kintu kimuhama. Yasigara isheni.
Sign right here.
Sinya hano ko tukurekuye tugusubije n'ibyawe uceho. Nguyu
Priya?
Priya. Yaman.
Yaman, where are you?
Yaman, uriye.
Hurried. We've been calling all
Twari twaguhangayikiye twiriwe tuguhamagara umunsi wose.
I'm at the station.
Ndi kuri station ya polisi.
The police station?
Kuri station ya polisi se kandi byagenze gute?
Did you do something to Alex?
Hari ikintu yigeze ukora Alex?
Alex is fine.
Alex ameze neza. Sogokuru ahubwo niwe ufite ikibazo.
Nothing ever happens to him or his dad. It always...
Alex na sese babi kiba nta kintu kijya kibabaho muhumure.
Yaman, what happened?
Yaman, byagenze bite?
Grandpa.
Sogokuru.
My grandpa's dead.
Sogokuru yapfuye. Abyumva.
I'm so sorry, brother.
Wihangane muvandi.
Rest in peace.
Wihangane.
What happened?
Byagenze bite? Byagenze bite? Ni umutima mwishe. Yishwe. Ntago ari umutima mwishe. Biki? Yishwe ntago ari umutima wa mwishe.
Steven killed my grandpa.
Steven niwe wishe sogokuru wanjye. Niwe wamwishe.
What? What are you saying?
Kuvuga ibiki mwana?
Your grandpa.
Kicyatuma yica sogokuru wawe.
I need to let my mother know.
Mufase mube muretse mbanze mbibwire mama. Mbanze mbimenyeshe mama. Sogokuru yapfuye. Mwibuke Natali ntago arabimenya doheruka bamubwira ngo aze kuri polisi. Sinzi.
Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on.
Uzi n'ikindi mwana muze tugende. Sho. kujya kureba nawe papa aramuhamagaye asiki Iliya papa aramuhamagaye hakuno
No answering.
ntabwo ari kunyitaba
You're wasting your time.
uri guta umwanya wawe
Not
reka
gonna answer.
ntabwo ari bukwitaba
Yaman is here.
kubera ko Yamana arahari
As long as he's here.
kandi mu gihe cyose Yamana ahari ntabwo ari bukwitaba
Girl, listen.
nyumva mwana
Me and your mom, we would like to talk to you.
cyenda mama we twashakaga kuvugana nawe
And we want to share it with you.
hari amakuru dufite twashaka kuguha
Please, can you come home?
basi wamfasha ugataha imuhira
What?
wowe ki
How?
gute se kandi
Who killed Mr. Everett?
inde wishe Mr. Everett seni narabyumva nawe nabyo arazi
Even did?
Steven ngo niwe wamwishe karabaye oho
Okay.
sawa
Then keep us updated.
sawa uze kuduhereza amakuru babimenye babibwiranye barabibwiranye do
Mr. Everett was found dead.
Mr. Everett bamusanze yapfuye
Yaman said the killer is...
ndetse Yaman avuze ko umwicanyi ari Steven Soiselani oho babimenye ninde wabivuze kandi sasa hakuno kuri station ya polisi
Soiselan, I'm Everett Soiselan's daughter.
Jenje kureba Soiselani ndi umukobwa Soiselani
Answered his phone. A policeman answered it.
namamagaye kare ntitaba telefone ye yitabwa n'umupolisi
Contact our lawyer.
uze afite icyo kibazo maze amamagara umwavoka we cyangwa komeza hariya imbere baragusobanurira mukecuru komeza imbere baragusobanurira
Ali?
bakomeje hano imbere
Where's your grandpa?
sogokuru wawe
Calling, but he's not picking up. What's going on?
atari kwitaba byagenze
Rush down here. Where is he?
ari hehe ubundi shamani yabuze abihera
Where is your grandfather?
sogokuru wawe ari he
Mom?
mama
Grandpa.
sogokuru
Ali, where is he?
sogokuru wawe ari he Ali
I'm so sorry.
umbabarire mama kandi wihangane umbabarire kandi wihangane akarira kari kubyumva nako ni hakuno
What is it? Where is your grandfather?
ibyo ni ukuri kuvuga sogokuru wawe ari hehe sogokuru wawe ari ariko utari kumunyereka mama ntabwo ari kubyumva mama ntabwo ari kubyumva kandi nawe yahise abimenya mama unyihanganire cyari kuhageza umuntu uza yarasoze tangira kubwanuka ni mama utangiye kubwanuka mama tuza sogokuru wawe ari kuko utari kunsubiza ngo usubize iki se iyo amaso ko yerekwa bike ibindi akabyirebera usubize iki amarira agahinda muri famiye ubuke ukuri kuzwi n'abantu bangahe Steven azi ukuri Yaman azi ukuri ubwo adafite ibimenyetso Alex azi ukuri George azi ukuri ariko ikibazo nta bimenyetso bihari
Please.
hakuno Steven bamugejeje hano
My client is here.
Honestly, I'm very curious.
yazanye n'umwavoka kandi ujya ubona ukuntu Steven aba ari seriye
Everett Soiselan
Everett Soiselan
was murdered.
yishwe
What?
ngo
Oh, God. What are you saying?
si kuvuga ibiki
news to you?
If I knew
ayo makuru se ni make
family,
iyo nza kuba mbizi nari kuba ndi kumwe n'umuryango wanjye ndi kubafata mu mugongo bari hafi reka mbe ngiye
Your time.
icara si byo wicara reka kwigira gutyo
Sure that you're not
icazwa ibyo wicazwa se reka kugira
before you come back around, trying to console them.
what now?
iki se
You're a suspect
nawe uri mu bakekwa
in the murder of your
mu
father-in-law.
rupfu rwa sobukwe
There are statements against you.
ndetse dufite ubuhamya bugushinze
With what evidence?
mu kihe kimenyetso se mufite muranshinza mufite ikihe kimenyetso
Does this mean?
We ask the questions, Mr. Steven.
turakubaza ibibazo mwana Steven
You have a gun?
ugira imbunda
Your son, Alex Soysalon.
ndetse umwana wa Alex
Soysalon.
yandikiye yamani Soysalon
father.
kugiye kujya kwica se sibyo
Is his father alive now?
isese nimba atakiri muzima ubwo nabyo mugiye kuba inshinzi
Where is your gun?
imbunda yawe iri hehe
At the hotel room.
iri mu cyumba muri hoteli tubwire password yayo
Well,
kubera iki
Mr. It's the room.
kubera ko tugiye kujya gusaka muri kiriya cyumba mufite manda dore sherishe kiyi hakuno kandi icyumba mwibuke yatayemo imyenda irimo ibimenyetso byibuka apfuye
Yes, of course.
rero tukujyane kuri polisi ko bajyaga kumuzana imyenda yayitaye muri hoteli kureba manda y'imwe bemera kujya gusanga icyumba barayifite karaburije yamenye karaburije Steven mbere ya mbere abapolisi baje mu cyumba cya hoteli yari arimo icyumba barabanza baragishakaza barabanza bakizengurukamo bacyinjiramo ngura hakuno sefu imbunda irimo hakuno nta n'uwakozaho iki kumwe buriya uri gusibanganya ibimenyetso kumbe hakuno cyamani hano mama
Drink some water.
basi fata amazi unywe
Carla.
karira ndakwiyamye uretse
And where is he?
none ari he
Is the body at the hospital?
umurambo uri
In autopsy.
uri kwa muganga bari gukora autopsy biki
Doing an autopsy?
bakora autopsy
Who requested an autopsy?
ninde se wasabye autopsy kandi
Why is there an autopsy?
kubera icyo bari kumukora autopsy
My grandpa.
sogokuru
They murdered him.
yishwe ntabwo yishwe n'umutima bamwishe bisanzwe kandi ntabwo umuntu yaba yishwe bisanzwe ngo bamushyingure batarakora autopsy kuko hari amakuru aba akenewe ya ngombwa
He was shot.
bamurashe iki indamurashe se indamurashe ninde wabikoze
At my father's house.
ndetse byabereye mu nzu yo kwa papa kwa George Aiden niho byabereye
When I got there,
ubwo nageraga
he was covered in blood.
yari yuzuye amaraso sogokuru
Did he kill my grandpa? Did your father kill him?
No.
ni papa wawe
He
wamwishe
set father up.
ntabwo ari papa wanjye wamwishe
He did it so he can set my father up for the crime.
What the hell are you saying?
isi ko wabikoze ahubwo ngo gutya se niba icyo uri kuvuga arangije abeshyira data
Your father, Carla.
isi ko niwe wamwishe ibintu uri kuvuga utari kumva ni ibiki
Your father killed our grandpa.
That isn't true.
They want to frame him for the murder.
isiko yishe sogokuru abigereka kuri papa wanjye ntabwo ari ukuri.
They want to destroy my father.
Not your mouth!
Shaka kurimbura ubuzima bwa papa wanjye murekeraho ariko mama nawe hakuno biramurenga. Nathalie Soiselan.
It wouldn't
Ararira bitanga iki? Ararira bitanga iki?
Page,
Steven hakuno.
the search is concluded.
Tuvuye gusaka muri kiriya cyumba dore ibyo tuvanyeho ngibi. Hakuno. Yarabizi byari biri mu cyumba, arabizi ko ingingo zimumira zimiri zimukiza. Urakoze.
The gun has been to ballistics.
Imbunda yari yanditse mu mategeko.
No problems.
Nta kibazo ifite.
Swap reports came back clean.
Raporo ivuga ko imbunda nta kibazo ifite.
One last question.
Ikindi kibazo kimwe.
Where
bagisotse nta kindi kintu babonyemo. Wari urihe muri iki gitondo?
Excuse me.
Unyanganire.
What was that?
Wari uri kumubaza umwavoka waraza umunyamategeko.
this morning?
Muri iki gitondo umukiriya wawe
At the
yarari.
hotel in the morning with his son Alex.
Yari kumwe n'umuhungu we kuri hoteli mu gitondo nta hantu yigeze ajya.
That right, Stephen?
Ibyo koko ni ukuri Steven?
Yes, it's true.
Yego uko ni ukuri.
The hotel's cameras are down now.
Kamera zo kuri hoteli zagiye hasi. Ntabwo ziri gukora.
We can't disprove that even if we want to.
Niyo twaba dushaka kumenya ukuri nta bimenyetso twabona.
Coincidentally, Yaman Ali told us to hurry.
Kandi kibabaje Yaman Ali yabitubwiye kare shango twihute tubigendamo gake biguru ntege.
I don't get it.
Ntabwo mbyumva ariko.
Alex Soiselan is
Alex Soiselan yandikiye Yaman aramubwira ngo ugiye kujya kwica se sibyo?
Yes, I caught Yaman.
Ubu turamufite bari kumuhata ibibazo nawe. Yego nahamagaye Yaman.
My father saw pics of my mom with that guy.
Papa wanjye yari yarakabwo yabonanaga papa mama n'uriya mugabo mu mafoto. Yari afite mudu.
Luckily, I stopped him.
Kubw'amahirwe nabashije kumuhagarika.
I was able to get through to him, and I set him straight.
Namuhagaritse ndamuturisha birakura.
And when I went down to the bar,
ariko ubwo namanukaga hasi ngiye mu kabari kuzana icyo
kunywa. So if you excuse us,
nibwo nasanze papa abapolisi bamujyanye rero munyihanganiye.
We're going home.
Je na papa wanjye tugiye gutaha mu rugo.
So we can mourn.
Kugira ngo tujye kunamira umusaza wacu wapfuye tujye mu kiriyo. Nta kintu mwadushinza mufite iki se?
My grandfather was found dead in his father's house. Carla, enough.
Gute yapfiriye mu nzu y'iwabo wa Yaman ariko Karira birahagije.
Get the hell out of here. What
are you doing? Wewe tukavana ukagenda nimwatwiciye muzehe.
That man was my grandfather.
Wewe uriya musaza nanjye ari sogokuru ariko wikwikunguza aho ngaho.
I'm not going anywhere until justice is served.
Rero nta hantu ndi bujye paka mbonye ubutabera.
Arrested your father. What else is left?
Usibye se kuba siko bamufasha ubundi butabera bukeneye n'ubu.
Be out soon.
Cyane kuri kurajya hagaragara we ntugire ikibazo.
Look who's just released.
Reba uwo bafunguye ngo ninde. Reba uwo bafunguye ngo ninde yamanageza ababona. Steven baramufunguye karabaye. Steven nta kintu na kimwe kimuhama. Niwe wabikoze. Yaman arabizi bose baranabizi. Na Alex arabizi nubwo arengeye se. Ariko nta kimenyetso gihari. Gute bakurekuye wowe? Gute bakurekuye?
What are you doing here?
Is there anyone in the police station?
Gukora ibicano mwa. Abapolisi bafite icyo kibazo mwebwe murwaye ibiki. Uyu mugabo mwamufashe mukamufunga icyo mutazi ni iki?
Interrogation is finished. Yaman Ali, don't be sick.
Yaman Ali wikwigira umusazi hano. Mama hakuno byaramurenze. Byaramurenze.
Interrogation is over. Brother, how can you be out? Take him.
Ese mwebwe namufashe mukamufunga we. Bwira kuri papa amushiga we. Barwanira muri polisi.
Alex, okay, don't mess with him.
Alex bimeze sawa wikina n'uwo mujinga atase.
You destroyed this family. I'll not let you get my father. You won't take my father from me.
Niba turi kugurira umuryango nje ntabwo natuma ukinira kuri papa wawe.
I don't care about your father.
Hakuno.
Grandfather's murderer is right there. How are you?
Dore umwicanyi wishe papa dore ngwino hakuno. Natari Israel iramufata yaramusama sheri ngwino dutahe. Ngwino dutahe ubwenge nibwizerega.
Let her go.
Don't touch. Bira kuri mama mukoraho binkorera kuri mama asha ibyo bawigira nibiki wa mwana we. Ubwenge ari mu mutwe. Utaza agaciro k'amaguru ngabyinira inzovu bamushyira hasi bafunga imbwa. Urateza akavuye muri station ya polisi yicyurira umugore we n'abana be dutahe. Dutahe. Nyagasani. Ukuntu Alex amurebera ku rutugu. Ukuntu Alex amurebera ku rutugu. Alex yanze kuvuga ukura kuza arabizi ko ari we wishe umuntu. Arabizi ko ari we wishe sekuru ariko nta kintu abivuzeho nta n'icyo abikozeho.
I really don't get it, Chief. I'm really going out of my mind.
Ntabwo ndi kubyumvisha mu mutwe wanjye afande.
How could you let that man go free?
Guturiye mugabo mwamurekuye akagenda kwe.
Murderer of my grandfather.
Nyuma yo kwica sogokuru.
Let him up and leave like that.
Akagenda kuri.
My mom with him.
My friend, I have the evidence.
Nta kimenyetso dufite.
Check it. It came out of the hotel room, clean, unfired, license.
Twagiye mu cyumba cya hoteli nta kintu twabonye ibintu byose bimeze sawa.
Yes. Alex Soisalon, he confirmed. He caught his father.
Alex Soisalon yaranyandikiye ngo bagiye kwica ngo bagiye kwica papa yego
yabyemeye.
Ariko yavuze yuko asatigeze ava muri hoteli kuko ngo yagize gute yamubaye hafi.
Cameras everywhere. Check the cameras.
The cameras from Alex.
Naje mukareba kamera se kamera ntago zari ziri gukora.
They were disabled due to a system update.
Kamera bari bazivanye kubera bari kwa updatinga system y'umutekano muri iriya hoteli.
To contradict their statements with.
Because you were too late. I told you that they would
kubera ko mwagiye mutinze kandi nabibabwiye ngo mubikore.
The confidentiality order. There's a press ban. And you're shouting at the top of your lungs?
We aya makuru ndi kugwa nibanga ntakabaye ngo none utanje no kunza kumva.
Gunpowder on your dad's hand. Your father's fingerprints were on the gun. Your father. House where the body was found. Am I right?
Steven Soisalon is the murderer.
Steven Soisalon niwe mwicanyi. Nabyanga Steven Soisalon niwe mwicanyi. Jojano.
Your son is pushing his luck. It's too hard.
Man still here?
Such stubbornness. Just admit to your crimes.
It's a good thing that he's here. It's better than getting into trouble with Steve. See? That's just who he is. The lawyer is here.
Here you are.
Nice to meet you. Your wife Olga is my childhood friend. Couldn't reach you on the phone. Otherwise she would have been on the first plane.
No. She shouldn't be here.
But Mr. George, only I knew Olga this much. Your words would not matter that much.
George hakuno biramucanga ibintu bikomeje kwivanga yamani nawe hano nta kimenyetso na kimwe afite.
Also, stand up. Won't you stand up?
Bwa ahura na muzehe.
Fine.
Sawa.
Sit there.
Ubwo nanjye reka nicare hano niba udashaka kuza ngo tugende.
That house without you, my boy.
Kuko ntabwo dusubira muri iriya nzu tutajyanye mwana wanjye.
Home, son.
Ngwino dutahe muhira wa mwana we.
Give my grandson slippers.
Mwana wanjye ariko nimuhereze inkweto yambare muhereze silipa.
Behave like you are alone anymore.
Ubwo bwa mbere yazaga muri iyi nzu. German Ali.
Grandfather. Even burying your loved one is better than losing him, son. May God spare also such a great hand all of Saul, all
ku buryo muzehe yamubwiraga ibintu byose amuburanira muba hafi n'ibiki byose.
Don't be ashamed.
Wamwana ntugaterwe isoni.
Cry. Every Ali wouldn't cry.
Twebwe dufite uburenganzira bwo guterwa isoni n'ibyo twakoze n'ibyo twabuteye ku muhanda. Ibintu byose uburyo bahuyemo. Buryo yamuhaye ikaze mu nzu byose ari kubyibuka ni Yamani Ali. Ariko nta kimenyetso afite habe na kimwe. Nta kimenyetso ukuri arakuza ariko se nyine nindakubwiye ko watsinda ukuri ko watsinda ufite ibimenyetso simusiga.
My condolences, brother.
I'm sorry for your loss.
Mbabarire kubw'igihombo mwagize.
Are you okay?
Umeze neza?
I'm not.
Wapi ntago meze neza.
I'm not okay.
Ntago meze neza.
I want to take Steven's head and smash it open across his son's face.
Kira kigwari ngo ni Steven.
What did he want from the old chap?
Keretse ndamutse muye nacyo nkakimena isura.
Because that's what's coming to him.
Come on, calm down.
Yamani tuza.
How can I be calm?
Gute natuza Liam?
How can I be?
Gute natuza?
How can I be good?
Gute namera neza?
He shot my grandfather right in the center of his chest.
Sogokuru bamurashe mu gatuza rwagati barakamena.
He was lying on the ground.
Yararyamye hasi.
They couldn't have knocked him down any other way. Then his son came, perjured himself, and the both of them walked away.
Papa anje nawe aryamye hasi nibwo umwana we yaje ari we njyewe nta kintu nakoze.
My father's still here.
Papa anje aracyari hano.
And my grandfather's killer got away with killing him.
Sogokuru wanje yapfuye uwamwishe yigende.
We'll take the plane.
Wait a minute.
Uretse.
What's it have to do with the doctor?
Muganga Sauri he na.
My grandfather. Then he put the gun in my dad's hands.
Steven yishe sogokuru arangije imbunda yishyira mu biganza bya papa wanjye.
What kind of a monster is he?
Suriya mugabo ni nyamaswa
Is it a trap for Dr. George?
Byose babitezemo umutego George.
And if I don't, beat those two at their own game.
Bariya babiri ubwo ni Alex na Celine abatsindira mu mukino banzanye gukinamo. N'abandimbwa. N'abandimbwa kugira abonetse.
Coming with you.
Turajyanye.
No, it's coming.
We ntago tujya.
Let's take this.
Mwe mugume hano.
Come on.
Yaman.
If you're hoping to stop me, Ria.
Whatever you want. But this time, we'll do it together.
Yamufashe mu ntoki amubwira ati sheri noneho ibintu tujyana kubigenza.
We're not gonna let them win again.
Ntabwo turi buze kongera kubareka badutsinde kuri iyi nshuro. Reka tushake ibimenyetso dukora ibishoboka ibyo ari byo byose tubatsinde tubashyire hasi. Joliya na Yamani kandi ko episode ya 61 ari uko igenze. Ciao bye bye, see you.